What a good looking boy you are. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, Doodlebug. Oh, good Doodlebug. You don't have to follow me. You can go do something cute. Go do something cute. Go do something cute. Not that. That's not cute. Alright, go pee on the barrel. Pee on the barrel. Yes. Very pretty boy. Very pretty. You're getting such light fur. Look at this light fur going on, huh? Look at this. You're gonna be a wheaten before long. Look at that. Look at that wheaten under there. Look at the wheaten under there. Goober. Goober boy. That's a Goober boy. That's a Goober boy. Oh, honey, 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 honey. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, honey.